doing a little bit of a comparison. You guys have been in the makeup circle for quite some time. You know that Ipsy isn't something new. They've been around for several years, but I think in the later half of 2020, they did launch the Ipsy Glambag Plus program. I'm not 100% sure because I haven't been like an Ipsy customer for a very, very long time or consistently throughout the years. I want to say that the Glambag Plus was something that they did in like the middle half, if not later half of 2020. I have been receiving the box for a couple of months now, and I definitely have some thoughts on it. There are pros and cons to each one of those, and each one of them does cost a different amount. So today I wanted to be able to run through that all with you guys, give you guys my insight as to whether I think it is worth it, period. And if it is worth it, which one is the best one for you? If you guys are new around here, welcome. My name is Andrea. I typically do videos all about beauty. Sometimes we'll sprinkle in some affordable fashion, sometimes a little bit of luxury, and the occasional lifestyle post. So if those are things that interest you, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell button so you are aware every single time I post a new video. Okay, so here is my box. It does come with the Glambag Plus and the Glambag in here. And I do want to start off by saying that this video is not sponsored. Ipsy did not ask me to do this video. It wasn't like a requirement or anything like that, but I am part of the Ipsy content creator program. So I do get this box and the Glambag, the regular one, sent to me every month. I have been receiving them since October. So I've gotten October, November, December, and then this will make January's box. So I do get it sent to me for PR and testing purposes. But like I said, it wasn't like you have to review the box in order to get it or anything like that. They don't even know I'm making this video, but I do have some opinions on it after testing it out for a couple of months. So I wanted to share that with you guys. But yeah, so both of them come in here. We're gonna get started first with the Glambag. This one is monthly. There is no wait list for it, and it is $12 a month. So for $12 a month, you're gonna get 5 deluxe / sample size / travel size products in your little pouch. And every month you do get a little pouch as well. I actually really like this one. It's like this nice like plasticky material, and it says Dream on it. This one's really cute. Perfect for travel too because it's clear. So you do get 5 travel size, if not deluxe sample size products, and it could be a variety of products as well. So it says that based on your preferences, you'll receive a mix of makeup, hair care, or skincare, or nail products as well. You do take like a little quiz at the beginning when you sign up and you like create your profile, and there they'll ask you if you want to get more like skincare, if you want to get more makeup, if you want to get more like hair care stuff. So you will get a variety of whatever you decide to pick from there. Also have the option of choosing one product every month. So for sure, you'll at least know one of the products that you're going to be getting because you get to pick it at the beginning of the month. You don't have to do that if you don't want to, if you just want it to be a surprise, but that is that option as well. This month's little Glambag, I got the Wama Drama Bomb Extreme Volume Mascara. We do have the Cover FX Shimmer Veil in Soleil. There was also a Youth to the People Super Berry Hydrate Glow Facial Oil, Stila Patina Liquid Lipstick, and then there is this Origins Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay. So as you can see, 5 little sample size products that came in here. I like that Ipsy has the option to do this one if you want something cheaper, or the other one that I'm going to talk to you guys about. But I do like actually receiving sample size of things because then you can try it out without committing to the full products, especially if it's something that turns out that you don't like or you don't want to spend your money on. It's good that you at least got a sample size of that or like a travel size of it so you don't have to throw out the whole thing or worry about returns or anything like that. And from what I've seen, there's usually like at least 3, if not more, or all the products that I really end up liking. There's usually like 1 or 2 that maybe I haven't tried yet, but I end up liking later on in my Glambags. So I really do like that about there. I feel like this one has been around for quite some time. I know so many people that have it because it's a great way to try out products. And I do love that it does come with a little pouch as well, so you can just have everything there. This is actually a great subscription service if you want to still try out products, but you don't need to commit to like the full size products because you already have so much, or you constantly try out new makeup products that you don't want like the big amount to be sitting in your closet somewhere. I think this is something really good because even myself, like these last couple of months, I've tried a lot of makeup products because I've been collecting makeup and doing makeup for several years. But even me, like I said, these last couple months, there have been 1 or 2 products and I'm like, wow, I've never heard of this. I've never tried it until I got it in my Ipsy bag. And then I tried it out and I really ended up liking it. So I do think that there is some benefit to it, even though it's only like a smaller size of what you would get. Because I know that there are other subscription services that are bigger, You pay more for them, obviously, but you get the full-size product. Sometimes people don't like having small ones. When I've seen reviews as well, I've actually heard that they don't like the like sample size products because they end up having them like all over the place, or they don't use them because they end up using a full size. That's not the case with me. I actually prefer it because then it's less product that I have to waste. Another thing I've noticed is that with the Glambags, there's at least one, if not two brands that are like brands you can get at Sephora, at Ulta. They're not just like all indie brands. They're not all just like cruelty-free, all vegan or anything like that. There's like a really good mixture of all of them, which I think is good. So now let me move on to the Glambag Plus. All right, so this is the Glambag Plus. The Glambag Plus also does come with a bag, but I gotta say that the bags for the Glambag Plus are not as nice as the ones for the Glambags. And I think that's because the Glambags get shipped out in like mailers, and because they're smaller, obviously you can spend more money on the packaging around it, because this one, like I said, is like a nice like thick plasticky material. This one is like a thinner fabric, and it's this. And these last couple of months I've been getting just like all of these. They all have like screen printing on them, but they're all essentially just like the same little dust bag. I mean, if you like that, that's cute, but I really don't have much use for this. So I always end up just giving them to my sister or someone that may probably need them more, or have them in like a giveaway box. So yeah, I don't really like this about the Glambag Plus. I feel like they could spruce that up a little bit more. Just like the Glambag, this one you will also get a mixture of skincare, hair care, nails, or makeup, depending on your preferences. So you also do a quiz for that, and then you can decide with the Glambag Plus if you want to pick 3 of the products that you will for sure know, or if you want to leave it to be like random. The Glambag only gives you that option for 1 product. With the Glambag Plus, you can for sure decide 3 products that you definitely want to have in that month's box, which is nice because if you feel like you're constantly getting like hand lotions, or you feel like you're always getting eyeshadow palettes or something like that, you can kind of mix and match, so you get to decide which one you want. Okay, so in this one, this month, I got the Pixi by Petra Nuance Quartet. This is the blush one. I actually already have this one, so this one will go in a little giveaway box for one of you guys. And I've tried it before. I really do like it. This is in the shade Sugar Blossom, and it comes with like a little bronzer, a blush, and then 2 highlighters. And this is a full size. If I didn't mention, the Glambag Plus is 5 full-size products. So you're not going to get small deluxe sample size. All of these will be full-size products. We also got the Naked Papaya Kinship Face Cleanser. So that's that one. This one came with a Sella cream in the shade Violet. Soothing hand cream and butter. We also got the Wander Beauty Lip Retreat Oil. The last thing it came with was a set of makeup brushes. This is from the brand LaRousse, and this is actually the second time that I get makeup brushes from this brand. I have some up there with like the black handle. This one's like a really nice navy blue handle and like white brush hairs here. So those were the things that came in the Glambag Plus. And I want to say that I've seen it before, that in the Glambag, the regular one, you also get brushes, but it's rare that you get like a set of brushes. It's usually like 1 brush or 2 brushes, and they're like the small size ones. And if I didn't mention it already, the Glambag Plus you can get monthly as well. There is no wait list, but that one is going to be $25 a month because it is 5 full-size products. I say that the value of the Glambag is usually around $50, and it actually does make sense now when I do the math of it, because I know that the shimmer veils I think are like $18 alone, so that's already the cost of what the bag is. And then the value of the Glambag Plus actually valued at $120. So I'm sure the like brush set alone is probably like 20 bucks or something, if not more, than I have seen. So you're already getting close to that price as well. And I think Ipsy does a really good job about balancing that as well. There's like brands that you recognize, and the cost is definitely there. And then I just realized they actually have a 3rd option. It's called the Glambag Plus Ultimate, and that was also launched in late of 2020. That one is $50 a month, but you will get 8 full-size products. And again, it's a mixture of skincare, hair care, makeup, depending on your quiz preference. So all of them kind of work the same way. It's a monthly fee. There's no wait list, and it's based off of your preferences. It just depends which one you get, because that will determine whether you get to pick 1 product or 3 products that you actually know what will be in your box for that month. So after giving you all that information and me being able to try it out, out these last couple of months, I definitely gotta say that if you love receiving makeup every month, this is such a good service for you to try out because you are gonna get really good products, and obviously the value is there. You're not gonna be paying a lot for brands you've never heard of or anything like that. But I don't think that both are appropriate for every kind of person. So if you are somebody who is just starting out in makeup, if you are somebody who doesn't have a big collection but you want to start building your makeup collection, I think it's a waste of money to just get the Ipsy Glambag, the regular $12 one, even though I know it's cheaper, because when you get the Glambag Plus, you're gonna be getting all of those full-size products. And I don't know about you guys, but I don't go through eyeshadow palettes like every month. So imagine if you get, you know, 2 eyeshadow palettes in 6 months or something, you're slowly gonna be able to build up your collection because you're not gonna be able to run through all of those full-size products every month. So you're gonna be able to try out new brands, get them for cheaper because you're paying only $25 a month instead of like what the cost of the product is. And that's a monthly thing that you can get. So I feel like it will add up in the long run if you do end up doing the full-size options. On the contrary to that, if you are somebody like me who already has kind of like a bigger collection, the Glambag Plus might seem kind of redundant for you because you already have all of those eyeshadow palettes. You already have your go-to staple products. Maybe you already have like 3 mascaras. You don't need another one. I actually did have another subscription service when I was first starting out in makeup, and that was a great way for me to build up my makeup collection. So that's why I'm telling it to you guys. But I actually ended up canceling that one because I didn't want to pay monthly to get more eyeshadow palettes and more eyeshadow palettes when I already had like 10 different eyeshadow palettes that I was using, or I had just bought some other ones and every month new products were coming in. Eventually just had this like hoarding situation in one of my drawers where it was like all unused products because every month subscription box kept coming and I kept paying for it. So I feel like if you already have a bigger, more collection of makeup, the $25 one may not work for you. And like I said before, maybe you do want to try out new makeup, but you don't want to commit to getting a full-size product because you know you're not going to finish that. Then I think the $12 Glambag is the way for you to go because you can still try out good products. You can still get those products and maybe discover something new, try them out every month, but you don't have to commit to the full-size version of that and maybe have that product go to waste. I also think this is another great way too, diversifying things, because I know I myself get in this rut where like I fall in love with one makeup brand or one skincare and I just use that solely, but there's so many other good products out there. Maybe depending on the product as well, you don't want to commit to that because you're like, what if I don't like it? Overall, I really do think it's a good service for anyone, to be honest with you. If you love makeup or beauty, this is a really good one. And I also just think it's a little bit smarter. You only pay $25 a month versus $25 for an eyeshadow palette, $18 for mascara, then another $50 for whatever foundation or whatever it is you're doing. It's just a nice way to kind of get more. All right, guys, so that is it for today's video. I'm definitely curious to know, have any of you guys tried the subscription service before? Have you like discovered Ride or Die makeup products from there? I know that I already have, even like the first month that I got something, so definitely leave me a comment down below. Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, all that stuff is going to be left down below for you guys, as well as coupon codes to help you save some money. I will also leave a link to Ipsy if you guys want to check that out as well. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Stay safe, and I will see you all in my next one.